The Canon G5X Mark II. Is this the best hybrid compact camera of 2019? For a long time, Canon's compact cameras have been widely popular with content creators, especially those making videos for YouTube. They have, though, at times felt a little bit like photo cameras that just happen to shoot videos. They are somewhat lacking on the feature front. But with the release of the G5X Mark II, it seems that Canon are looking to buck that trend and truly embrace the casual video creator in their compact camera range. Featuring a slimmed down design from its older brother, the G5X, Canon have managed to make this compact camera truly pocket friendly. It weighs a mere 340 grams with a battery, and to add to that pocket-friendly nature, Canon have hidden the viewfinder inside the body of the camera itself. It has the same 1-inch CMOS sensor as before, but it now makes use of the Digic 8 processor. All that means is that it can record 4K video without any crop. It can also record 120 FPS video at 1080p and even record 4K time-lapses from within the camera itself. It has a 5x zoom 24mm integral lens that has a maximum aperture of f1.8 to 2.8. And also for video shooters, there's a whole lot of other features crammed into this little camera. You have built-in image stabilization and ND filters. You have focus peaking and a clean HDMI out. You have that front-facing touchscreen and also the ability to record vertical video. This, with the ability to live stream, really shows Canon's intentions at making this camera for content creators. So it seems on paper that Canon have managed to cram in all the great video features that any casual creator could want. But with all that said, let's jump in and look at the good bits of the Canon G5X Mark II. First up is the image quality. Now, it used to be quite a rare thing for a compact camera to have decent image quality, but we're now starting to see some really great options coming onto the market from Canon themselves and their close competitors, and I would definitely count the G5X2 within that group. Its 4K video is beautiful in its detail and its colours straight out of the camera. Now, that's a really important detail. The type of user that's going to be filming with this camera is not very likely to be colour grading or correcting in post. So the image quality that you get straight out the camera is really important, and the G5X2 doesn't disappoint. You can get stunning looking videos without any heavy lifting in post, exactly what the casual content creator needs. The functionality of this camera is truly incredible. It seems that Canon have managed to cram in literally every feature that any photo or video creator could possibly want into a compact camera, and without cutting any corners. In fact, it's so good at so much, I would happily use this camera for the videos we make, especially when we're on the road. It's a type of device that's extremely easy to use, really well built, and offers you everything you want as a content creator, from 4K video to great photos to even streaming vertical video to YouTube. But with all that said, let's jump in and look at the bad bits of this compact camera. So in truth, it's hard to be critical of a camera like this. And for sure, I'm not comparing this to any higher end DSLRs or cinema range cameras, but in its own right, this camera stands up above most cameras coming out in 2019. It is pricey, that's for sure, coming in at around £850, but when compared to its new competitor from Sony, that still represents a saving. That price point only really becomes an issue when you compare this camera to the Canon G7X Mark III, which offers pretty much the same functionality for a slightly less price. For sure, these cameras are aimed at slightly different users though. The G5X Mark II is more aimed at the hybrid photo and video user as opposed to the straight out video shooter. So when you consider all the things that you're getting for your money within this little compact camera, that price does fade into what seems like quite good value. So for any content creators out there that are looking for the perfect compact camera for both photos and videos, the G5X Mark II might well just be it. It is quite unbelievable everything Canon have managed to cram into this compact camera, seemingly without cutting any corners or compromising on quality anywhere. So for the casual creator, this compact camera represents a fantastic addition or upgrade to your kit bag. For more information on the G5X Mark II, there's some links below. And whilst you're down there, why not consider subscribing to the channel or even signing up to our Filmmakers Club on Patreon to get access to our copyright-free music library. That's been my grab and go review of the G5X Mark II. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.